While much of the world's focus has been on Greece's economic turmoil and the Chinese market's troubles, the Philippines, a darling of investors in recent years, has been dealing with a record fall in foreign investments in its stock market. CCTV's Barnaby Lowe has more from Manila.
These Filipino traders are facing an uphill battle. After rallying the Philippine stock market to an all-time high earlier this year, they're now having to turn it around after losing more than $700 million in foreign investments in the last 3 months. The outflow is the country's worst in more than a decade and the highest among emerging markets in the region. This just after the government revealed a lower than expected 5.2% economic growth in the first 3 months of the year.
The Philippines has been the sick man of Asia for so long. The economic boom the country has been experiencing these past few years has felt somewhat like a miracle. But with economic performance this year so far falling below expectations, some are asking, is the end near for the Philippines' economic miracle?
Far from it, according to the Philippine Stock Exchange's Chief Operating Officer, Roel Refran.
Look at the vital stats of the Philippines, right? Debt to GDP ratio at 47%. Right? Look at Europe, it's probably around 100% debt to GDP. We've never been this fiscally sound in the past 10 years. So what we're seeing is an economy that's just beginning to really gain traction.
It's an economy that is being fueled by a young English-speaking workforce and billions of dollars remittances from Filipinos working overseas. But it isn't immune to market movements outside the country.
Up until June, the Chinese market was up by 150% from summer of 2014. And we have seen that funds are probably alpha-seeking. They would always look for the overperformers. While we are very much above our peer group, the returns generated by the Chinese market were just too much incentive for others to reconsider their portfolio.
And with Chinese shares just recovering from a huge blow, the Philippines has a golden opportunity to gain back what it lost and get back to a path of economic success. Barnaby Lowe, CCTV, Manila.